Can this viral video Smashburger taco be as good as they say? Can it be that easy? Can it be that delicious? Well, we're gonna find out. I'm Dave, you're watching Dave's Taste Buds, and welcome back. Now look, I'm not usually into viral recipes, but this one I had to check out, and I made it, and it is phenomenal, and I want to share it with you today. And it is Smashburger Tacos.
Now you have my attention.
I mean, it's not what you think. It's not a taco. It has no taco seasoning. It's basically like a Big Mac or a Whopper that looks like a taco. So I want to show you how to make it today. Thanks for coming along for the ride. First thing first, we're gonna need to know what we need to make these. We got 1 pound of 80/20 ground beef. We got our flour tortillas. We got our sliced cheese. We're gonna season up our ground beef with some Lowry seasoned salt. We're gonna make our own Big Mac sauce on the side. And then we have lettuce, pickles, and onions for the top. So now that we know what we need to make these, let me show you how to make them. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna season up this ground beef. I just like, it's kind of an all-around seasoning, is my seasoning salt, Lowry's. So I'm just gonna put a little bit in here, just to give it some flavor. We're gonna mash it up, we're gonna incorporate that.
5 minutes later.
Now once we have it incorporated, I like to just roll it into little balls. Now, depending on the size of the tortilla that you're gonna use, it's going to change the size of the, the balls of the hamburger that you're gonna use. I'm thinking maybe a little bit bigger than this. You can make these with taco size shells. These are fajita size shells. I like them a little bit smaller just because, I just think they're more fun. And I'm just gonna eat 2 instead of 1, or 3, or 4 instead of 2. Eat them all, I don't care. I'm not your doctor. I want you to be around for a long time and live healthy, but I'm not gonna tell you what to do. Probably gonna get 5 or 6 out of here. Just as I thought, I got 5 perfectly sized hamburger balls out of 1 pound. Let's take them to the griddle. So before we get these smash burgers cooking, let's go ahead and make our sauce that we're gonna use. All of the ingredients in the descriptions are in below. All of the ingredients are in the description below, not just the Smashburger tacos, but the sauce too. It's really super easy. It's a great burger sauce. It's literally just mayonnaise, ketchup, relish. Give it a stir. And there you go, that's it. Super easy, super delicious.
Now let's get down to business.
Okay, so we have our cast iron pan, rip-roaring pot. Take one of our hamburger balls, going right in there. We're gonna take our flour tortilla, we're gonna place it over the top, and sure enough, we're gonna smash it. You're gonna wanna smash it till you get it all the way right out to the edge. Get it nice and thinned out. You can feel it. You can feel that it's going to be near the edge. Nice and flat. There you go. I'm going to take a weight. What's a smash burger without the smash? Got it on there. We're only going to let this cook for 2-3 minutes. It's going to cook straight through. It's so thin. So while this is cooking, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button. They've changed it, so when you hit it, it does this little celebratory ribbon throwing thing, so check that out. Like this video if you like it so far, and stick with me to the end. Let's check it out. Nice. Woo. We're gonna transfer this to a plate. Gonna put a piece of cheese right on there. Definitely gonna kill this heat and get it out of the way. So that's what you're gonna be left with. This burger is super flat. It is certainly cooked all the way through. We're gonna let the cheese melt on there a little bit. I'm gonna get the other ones cooked off. Then I'm gonna build them really quick and we're gonna taste them, so sit tight.
I'm pretty excited.
So look at how delicious this looks. Look at that. Nice smash burger on a tortilla with our cheese all melted. Now we're just gonna dress it. I like to start with a little bit of our sauce. Yeah. Little lettuce, little onion, little pickle. Oh, look at that. It's like a little delicious cheeseburger hidden like a taco. I'm gonna fold that right in half. We're gonna taste it. Well, this certainly has me second guessing my thoughts about these viral recipes. I see them all the time on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels. You see all kinds of stuff all the time and you think to yourself, is that any good? Can I really make that? Well, let me tell you, one thing, you can certainly do this. Number two, it is delicious. In fact, you need to make these. So, do me a favor, like, subscribe. I got a great video up here. I got a couple other videos down here you're definitely gonna wanna check out. They're not viral videos, but they are fantastic. So, like, subscribe, get ready to watch my other videos. And once you're done doing all that, go cook something.